Hello everyone. Uh, on YouTube, I have seen many videos which depicts my usage of Microsoft Teams with the help of laptop or desktop computer. I have rarely come across videos which are showing you usage of Microsoft Teams with the help of mobile. So let's learn how to use Microsoft Teams for creating teams and scheduling meetings and adding people into your channels through mobile. So let's quickly walk through the steps of uh, doing all these operations in Microsoft Teams through mobile. Now, the first step that you need to do is to install Microsoft Teams. To install Microsoft Teams, go to Google Play Store and search for Teams. The first option you will get as Microsoft Teams. Tap on this option. You will get the option to install Microsoft Teams. It is if it is not already installed in your mobile phone, but since in my mobile Microsoft Teams is already installed, I'm getting an option for opening it. So anyway, you have to install it. After installation, you will be asked to open Microsoft Teams. So I'm opening Microsoft Teams app. This is Microsoft Teams and I'm going to open it. For the first time when you are going to open Microsoft Teams, what will happen? It will ask you to log into Microsoft Teams with the help of your school or work account. So whatever ID has been provided to you by your administrator, use that ID to log into your Microsoft Teams account. If you are using it for personal use, then you can use your personal Microsoft account to log into Microsoft Teams. So I'm going to sign in with another account. For example, my account is as a teacher, test teacher 1. Let me correct the spelling. Test teacher 1 at New Horizons School, Delhi. Click on sign in. Then it is going to ask you the password. So type the password. I'll type the password here. So once you have typed the password, tap on sign in button. You will be signed in into your Microsoft Teams account. Now the first screen that you get shows the feeds. These are feeds available in your Teams account. Probably other members might have added you. So whatever action has been taken with your ID, those actions are shown into this feed section. Come to this Teams option. Now here in this Teams option, we are going to create a team. So how to create a team? On the top right corner, you can see that there are 3 dots. Tap on these 3 dots and you'll get the options to manage teams, create team, browse teams, or join a team with a code. So I'm going to create a new team. Tap on create new team button option. You get these 4 categories. Now, depending upon your requirement, you are going to select one category and create your team. So if you are a teacher, probably you are going to create a class team. So tap on the first option, class. Now give a suitable name to your class. For example, my class is 12th, section is A, and my subject is, let's say, computer science, and session is 2021-22. So I have given a suitable name for my class team. Once you have given a suitable name, tap on the tick mark which is appearing on the top right corner on the team. So the team is created, and the next screen that comes before you is to add students or teachers into this team. So what will we do? We'll add students into the team. So on the you can see there are two tabs available: students and teachers. By default, students tab is selected. So let's start adding students. I'll add students. I've created some dummy students. Those students I'll be adding into this team. To add a student, you can just type the ID given to your student. So let's see, test student, and you can see the list of my test students have appeared. So when you start typing the ID of your student, uh, it is possible that those options are visible to you within the suggestions list. So you can directly select the student from the list now, or you can type their complete ID. For example, test student 1 at whatever the domain name is. For example, in this case, it is nhsdelhi.com. So test student 1 at nhsdelhi.com, the complete ID will be added. So I'm just going to tap on the ID. Similarly, if I want to add more student, test student 2, test student 3, and likewise I can go on adding students. To add teachers into your class, you can tap on this teachers tab and select the teachers, or type the ID of the teachers. So I'm just going to add students. Once my students are added, I'm going to tap on this tick mark available on the top right corner of this app. And you can see on the second number, 12th A Computer Science 2021-22, the class is created, the team is created. You can see the details about this team. You can tap on manage, tap on the three dots on the top on the right side of this team name. You get this menu. Now you can manage members. Suppose you want to remove members from your team, you can remove from here. You want to add more members, you can add more members. So let's say I'm going to add one more member. Tap on the plus symbol that is appearing on the bottom right corner, and then you can again type the ID of the student to add. Suppose I want to remove some student from the team, tap on the three dots that appears on the right side of the student name or the student ID. You'll get this menu, and tap on remove user to remove the student. So I'm tapping on the remove user option. This test student 4 will be removed from the team. Now, once you have created your team successfully, the next thing is how to schedule meetings or how to schedule your classes in mobiles. In desktop app, it is very simple to schedule a meeting for your team. You get the option to schedule a meeting or meet now option on the top right corner on the desktop app. But in mobile, you have to schedule a meeting through calendar. So let's schedule a meeting. How will you schedule a meeting for this class that you have created? Tap on the calendar, which is present on the second number at the bottom of the screen. Tap on this calendar. You get this calendar opened up for you. On the bottom right corner, you can see the plus icon. So tap on the plus button. So this new event page opens up. Here you are going to give title to your class. For example, you are going to teach algorithms. Next thing, add it to a channel. you are going to share this meeting to a specific channel. You may be having a number of classes, but you want to share this meeting with 12th A computer science class only. So tap on this share to channel option. When you tap on this share to channel option, this uh, dialog box appears, and it gives you an information that only the members available in the team will be able to uh, participate in this meeting. So tap on OK button, select the channel. So I'm going to select 12th A general. So tap on this general tab, general option of 12th A, and you can see the 12th A computer science 2021 general channel appears here. Now select the date. For example, today is Sunday. I would like to schedule the meeting for Monday. So I'm going to tap on the calendar to select the date, select the time. The time for my class is, let's say, 10 a.m. in the morning. So the time is set. Automatically a half an hour meeting is scheduled, but even if the time exceeds half an hour, the meeting does not come to an end. So I've selected the date and time of the meeting. Now tap on the tick mark available on the top right corner of this app. So the meeting will be scheduled. The event is created, the meeting is scheduled. Now how can you see whether the meeting has been scheduled or not? Go to Teams, tap on the general channel, and you can see that the meeting is appearing in your posts. Now at the time of this meeting, you can tap on this blue colored strip on which the title of the class is written and join the meeting. Similarly, this post will be visible in your students' teams. They can also tap on this blue strip to join the meeting. So if I tap on this algorithms class, I'll get this screen, and then I tap on this join button to join the meeting. So that is how you create a team in Microsoft Teams through mobile and schedule a meeting. I hope this video is fruitful for you, beneficial for you. Thank you.